This is the next part in the series of configuring a Sentian system. We're now focusing on enrolling cameras, and this works the same whether they are IP cameras or DVRs. So we click on the cameras tab within the client's estate configuration. This button here allows you to remember the username and password of the camera and a number of attributes of each camera so that you can fast enroll many cameras. So I am going to tick this, then I say add a camera. This just tells you whether it's a DVR or analog camera system or IP camera system. So in my case it is an analog camera system, and this will be the actual camera name. So let's say front gate camera, and you have a selection of DVR types. So ours is a Hikvision DVR, and we detect what the IP address of any on-VIF capable cameras on the network is. So we have a number of IP cameras as well as the DVR comes up. If the IP address of the DVR did not come up, you would then go to the manual IP tab and add, let's say 280, you would add it in, and then it will appear in this list. In our case it has come up. So the things we need to be able to connect to it is the username, the password, the private port. This is the RTSP port of the DVR. It is typically 554, but you'll have to log on to the DVR to work out what that is. The recording resolution, either mainstream or substream, high definition or standard definition. If there is a DVR in place recording the high definition video, we typically record the standard definition on the Sentian system that allows the video clips to be much smaller, more responsive on mobile devices where you don't need the high resolution. And this will be now the channel on the DVR of the specific camera I'm looking for. You then click Discover URLs. Ignore this page, it's a temporary page that will be used sometime in the future. You click Test Parameters. Now we'll try and connect to the DVR, retrieve a snapshot, retrieve high definition video, retrieve standard definition video. If that's successful, you know all the attributes that you've captured there have been correct. So yes, that is a valid snapshot. The video should always be a 10-second video. If it's not a 10-second video, the frame rate and keyframe interval on the DVR is incorrect. It's valid playable video. Here's the substream. Also valid playable video. I can now enroll the camera. Okay, so we have the front gate camera enrolled. Now, when we add the next channel, we can just say and now it's remembered the username, the password, the private port. You just get to decide whether it's going to be standard definition and the channel. Discover, test. Usually this test will take as long as it takes to record the 10-second videos. If it's quick, it's usually a failure. So yes, there's a valid snapshot. Valid playable video, enroll. You keep doing this until all your cameras are enrolled. Obviously, if they're IP cameras, the IP address will change each time because you will talk directly to the IP of the IP camera. Once you've enrolled them all, you then say apply changes. Now you need to wait for the system to reboot itself. We're then moving on to home automation.